Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I am again with one more exciting job opportunity for all the graduates. So today I have come across the tax analyst role in EY, especially in Bangalore. So this role is all about primary role of yours will be to analyze the information to ensure accuracy and deliverables and help in leading the team and assistant manager to manage the relationship with clients. So service area is in line with tax. Someone who is in finance, especially if you want to become a tax analyst, then this is a very good opportunity to start your career with. Okay. Then there are certain key responsibilities that you need to handle, especially if you are applying for this job. Especially you have to assist the tax senior in managing the clients and projects to ensure that the work is done within the budget, and effectively delegate the work to the team, and you have to take the ownership of your schedule, proactively cease working whenever you have to necessary to meet the annual goals, and helps in training, monitoring, coaching team members, etc. Then one of the important skill that they're looking is strong Microsoft Office knowledge. MS Excel, MS PowerPoint is at most, especially you have to be very competent in using spreadsheet for data manipulations and reviews. And good knowledge of Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint is also needed. And technically, you have to be very much versatile to handle the complexities and the formats. Then other things apart from the technical aspect, you should also have a good English, a verbal communication, written communication, and you should be able to work in a team, and you should be self-motivated as to systematic skill, detailed oriented attention to detail. And if at all, if you have a prior experience knowing any foreign language, or if you have any certifications in operations management, then you will have more preference for this job. Okay. Um, we have a company here. What do they actually do in eBay Global Delivery Services? So guys, I think someone who wants to start your career in the taxation, for them it's a very good opportunity, and especially EY will be a dream company for any of it for that matter. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. Please to apply for the job. Thank you and have a nice day. If you want the link to apply for this job, please comment the link in the comment box.